In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. Option A, active immunity is quick and gives full response. Now, it is a wrong statement because active immunity is not quick. It takes time to develop because the body needs to recognize the antigen and then produce its own antibodies. And this response is gradual but long lasting because the immune system retains the memory cells for future responses. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, fetus receives some antibodies from mother and it is an example of passive immunity. Now, this is true. The transfer of antibodies from the mother to the fetus via the placenta is an example of passive immunity, as the fetus is receiving the ready-made antibodies from its mother. Hence, this is incorrect option. Option C, when exposed to antigen, antibodies are produced in the host's body and it is called active immunity. Now, this is also true. When the immune system is exposed to antigens, such as through vaccination, it produces its own antibodies, which is why it is called active immunity. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, when ready-made antibodies are directly given, it is called passive immunity. This is also true. Passive immunity involves the administration of preformed antibodies to an individual, offering an immediate protection, though it does not result in the production of the memory cells. Hence, it is incorrect option.